Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix NetBeans so that it can run in Mac OS 11 or Big Sur. So for those of you who have made the upgrade, you'll find that NetBeans no longer runs. So I'm going to show you what I mean by that. Let's go to see, where's NetBeans? Right here. You can see that NetBeans no longer runs. So the reason is because the upgrade changed the location of the Java directory. So we need to find that and tells NetBeans where to find the Java installation. All right. So before that, I want you to actually go to Preference in Finder, and I want you to turn on hard drive. Okay, make sure that's on. Or Mac also, that will work. Okay, now let's go find the Java location. All right, now let's go to your Macintosh, your hard drive, or you just your Mac. That's fine. I'm going to Macintosh hard drive, and I'm going to go to Library. And I'm going to go to Java and JavaVirtualMachines, and here you have to list all of the JDK that you have installed. I only have one, and it's JDK 15. So we're gonna go inside JDK 15 contents under home. This is the Java installation. This is actually NetBeans going to need this location, right? So what I'm going to do is we're going to need to get the path. So I'm going to see. So what we're going to do is we need to get the path of this home folder. So we could. So let's click on home, and we can go to so go down to new terminal, edit folder. And we are at the home directory. So if you type wd, it's going to give you the path all the way to that directory, right? So we want to copy that. Next, we want to find the Java, the NetBeans configuration folder, and change the JDK home to point to this path. So let's go all the way to Applications, and then go to NetBeans. And then here we need to right click, show package content, under content, under resources, and NetBeans folder, NetBeans, and go to exe, and there's the file we want to modify. So you want to open that with whatever text editor you have. I have these two editors. You might just have text edit. So I'm just gonna open with this text editor that I have. You want to scroll all the way to the. So you want to scroll all the way down to this line here, line 76, NetBeans JDK home. You want to uncomment that. So take out the pound key character and replace that with the path that we copy. So remember, we copy this path, and now you just paste in there, okay, and you just save it. And let's try open NetBeans again. So now NetBeans is working. Now you can close this file, and you are done. Okay, that's it.